Welcome. If you're finding those Dropbox file transfer pop-up notifications on your mobile device a bit disruptive, I'm here to show you a quick and easy way to turn them off. These pop-ups can interrupt your workflow or leisure time, but disabling them takes just a few taps. Let's get into it. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you control all app permissions and notifications in one place. Next, look for the Apps section and select it. Here, you'll see a list of all apps installed on your device. Scroll down and tap on Dropbox to open its app-specific settings. Now, tap on Notifications. This is where you control how and when Dropbox sends alerts. You'll find notification categories here. Tap on that to see different types of Dropbox notifications. Look for the category labeled File Transfer. This is the specific notification type that triggers the pop-up during uploads or downloads. Once inside File Transfer, you'll see an option called Show as Pop-up. Simply toggle this off. And that's it. You've disabled the annoying File Transfer pop-up notifications from Dropbox on your mobile device without turning off all notifications. If you ever want those pop-ups back, just follow the same steps and toggle the Show as Pop-up option back on. Taking control over these notifications can really help you stay focused and enjoy a less intrusive mobile experience while still keeping track of important updates when you choose. Thanks for watching.